Part 7. Back again. Tropico 6 sandbox mode. Load go. Yeah, part 7. Load part 6. Carry on. Another video. In the last video we just built the cloth factory. This video I plan on building steel factory, steel mill, possibly the weapons factory as well. But we'll see how we go. There's the cotton factories. Not cotton, cloth. They use cotton, that's it. That house is full, so we may need to buy...
Presidente, your aid is appreciated.
Okay. We may need to build another apartment. Otherwise we end up with loads of shacks everywhere. Okay. Now for steel, we need... What do we need? Coal and iron. Coal and iron. Where's coal and iron? Coal and iron. Coal. Oh yeah, of course we've got coal for the power plant, so I know what that is. It's iron. It's iron. That's iron. I don't really want to put a mine right next to me plantation. I want it out the way a bit, but not too far away. I suppose I'll build it there. Yeah. A lot of things covered over by the farms. I don't want to interrupt. I'll build a mine over that one, I think. I think it's far enough away from everything to not do anything too damaging. If I build it over one side, wait for the smoke to go. Dust. Right, there we go, should be right now. Build it over one side, then this one should be able to go next to it. I can build two. There we go. Two with the road. Put the road over to there. Join that up. Easy. Run that one up there. There we go. Okay, so that's there. That's building. I don't think that mine is going to be able to supply the power plant and steel mill coal.
Presidente,
Enough coal. I think we'll build another one of those. Wants us to build a high school now as well. We'll do that later. Another mine. More coal. There we go. We'll let that build, and whilst that's building, we'll sort.
Don't you just love
export
watching
rum.
the boats?
The quest is easy. So 2 rum factories, 2 rum distilleries. That should do that mission, that quest.
I'm sure the good citizens
Almost
of Tropico
immediately.
intend to...
Election should be good. 76% support. Easy. Finish sabotage allies. I need to sabotage the allies, which is in the commando garage. Allies. I don't know what that does. Sabotage the allies in order to prevent them from issuing harmful actions against you for a time. Okay. The Pirate Cove, we shall do a treasure hunt. I like doing treasure hunts. It's a bit of a mystery as to what you get. Last time, we got $10,000 as if we needed more money. 757,000. Oh, the money. Oop. Trade, fish. Hey, fish is finally done. There we go. What have we got in here then? Cannery. Decrease the risk of building catching fire.
Election is a landslide, President.
On the election, obviously.
The metaphorical kind, not the kind that accidentally reduces the size
Roasting
of the
check
workforce.
increases efficiency by 10, increases pollution by 10. Really want to increase pollution, it's too near my plantations, but we'll do the fire one. I think we'll leave it like that. Why has that got a empty stock, empty tobacco? I think I need to build some more housing closer to these. Oop, it's another trade route done. I need to build new.
Always a pleasure doing business with
Done
you.
that one as well. Too much happening. I can't see. Can't say what I want to say. I think I need. What I was going to say is I think I need to build more housing near these factories. What I think I need to do. There's a lot of workers in these tobacco plantations. Bit of there.
Remember the story of the man who
Build a
built
fire
his
station.
house.
I want another fire station. I'll do that later as well. Put another flop house. One there. Put another one there. I think I might need another one over here as well. That one's full, that one's full, that one's full. That one's full. All full. House there. Decorations. Increases the beauty in its facility. Make people a bit happier with living there. That'll do. It's near factories. What are these doing? He's actually working at the moment? Not yet. Okay, trying to remember what we've got here. Ah yes, I need the cannery, the mine, don't catch fire. Upgrades do I have? But none. Okay. Okay, I think we can now build the steel mill. Where should I build the steel mill then? Put it over here? I think over here is probably best. Next to the power plant. These raids don't take very long. We've got to do 4 of these sabotage allies. 4 of them, and 1. And we're doing another one. Treasure hunt, we'll do that as well. Again, I didn't see what we got from the last treasure hunt. Oh, another 10,000. But now 895,000.
The palace issued a new world map today, revealing that the Allies and the Axis both lost ground, while Tropico has annexed Greenland and Antarctica.
Got 2 fire stations already. Do we need another one? I'll just bulldoze one and then rebuild it again. I think I might just bulldoze it and rebuild it again. Will that count? Oh. Some cigars now as well. 900 money is flying up. Crazy. High school. Oh, we need a high school as well. I think we've already got one of those. Yes, we've already got one of those. It wants us to build another one. Of course it does. Where should we build another one? Should we build it this way? Up here was going to be my sort of touristy bit. Tourist section of the island. Down in this corner was more industry. We plan on keeping it like that. One school there. I think I'll build another school. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, we'll leave it for a minute. It can wait. It's not. We're not in a rush. Let's see if this fire station counts. Nearly there. Ticking along. What's our steel mill doing? Nearly built.
A good deed, President.
Ah, yes, the fire station did count.
Everyone has friends, right,
Produce
Prez?
milk? Yeah, we can do that. We've got loads of milk because we've got a creamery. The sabotage allies done. These are flying along. I'll do another treasure hunt. Found research prohibition with the last treasure hunt. And of course, sabotage the allies again. Okay, 150 megawatts of power spare. Steel mill doesn't take any power, so that's good. I need housing, I think. Should I build a parking garage? I'd help people get there quicker. They'd be able to use a car rather than having to walk. I am trying to build housing near all the factories and things, but factories are dirty, so I don't really want them near them too much, otherwise they'll be unhappy with where they live. The pollution.
A listener wrote asking, how can I help El Presidente win the war? The palace replies, vote El Presidente in the next election.
Still being built. Might need some more of these Teamster offices in a minute. Transport all the goods everywhere, because we've got quite a bit of industry growing here. See how that does, and I might build another steel mill.
I'm so glad I made
Juice
this.
milk completed. I know what we'll do. Let's see what trade groups we got here. Cars plus 20. Let's do 13,000 of those. 31,000 bonus. 1.05 million. Okay, that's quite a lot of money. 13,000 exported rums as well. Guess we better do one of the allies, otherwise it's going to start going quite badly. Coffee, coca, cigars, boats. A small boat one that'll increase our relations with the allies. We are kind of harming them quite a lot by doing so many sabotages against them. Do another treasure hunt for the Pirate Cove. Even though I'm building a lot of factories and things, vacant jobs and unemployment, I've got enough people slowly immigrating into Tropico. I haven't needed to do any rescue raids for ages. Sabotage is done. I've got one more sabotage left then. Sabotage one more time. We're at 3 out of 4. This will be 4 out of 4. Parking garage is done. Don't know what sort of effect that'll have, but I think I'll build another steel mill. Quite a few industries need steel. I think if we build 2, that'll be good. Weapons next. Weapons next. Oh, I need nickel for weapons as well. Let's do that quickly. Nickel is this circle one, I think. Yes. Again, I don't want to build them. Right on the farm, look. Another one right on the farm. Another one right on the farm. That one's in the middle of nowhere. That one there's right next to my farm. Guess we could build one there. We shall build one there. We shall build 2 mines there. Collect the resources as quickly as possible. I think I might choose... should I build there? Over here. Let's build over here actually. 2 more of those. Trade done. Go and see what else we got here. Cigars, meat, pineapple, planks, and sugar. Meat. Coffee. Coca. I can't remember what I got. Let's sign a coca one, and if I don't have a coca plantation, then I'll have to build one. I think I do. Yes, there's one. Only at 92% efficiency, so that should be good. One done. Cannery. I think all the mines have this cannery upgrade to stop decreased risk of fire. I can't remember if I've done them to all of them or not. That one as well.
The task is done. You ask how much you are to be paid?
Hey, Alliance.
You make the only choice available, President.
Or
to
Alliance
support the
invasion.
glorious Axis.
Our brave president
Oh, to survive a
took
war.
a courageous step by forming an audacious alliance with the spunky Axis. Now they won't invade us.
A list of war priorities. You're very low. You may find yourself somewhat high on the list of allied priorities. We require only that you survive the war and do not make a fuss. We hate fuss also. I think I need to build some military buildings then. Okay. That kind of caught me out by surprise. I wasn't expecting to have to do this. Will do though. Okay, we'll let that one finish. We'll let that finish building. Let's upgrade this one. I think we'll do this war thing. Prepare for the war in the next video, I think. I'll let that barracks build. Okay, how many people we've got? A lot of vacant jobs suddenly. Okay, lots of vacant jobs. We shall do that in the next video. Right now, we shall build the barracks and call it the end of part 7. 20-minute video. They all seem to be 20 minutes. I did at the very start on part 1. I said 15-minute videos. No, they're all 20. I've done one at 15, and the rest have all been 20 or around 20. So anyway, save the game. Save game. What part was this? Part 7, that was it. Save game. Big. Build. Part 7. Cool. Space. Save. Save. There we go. Next up, part 8.